Leucocephala information. Leucocephala, also known as the lead tree or white lead tree, is a fast-growing leguminous tree species native to southern Mexico and northern Central America. It has been introduced and naturalized in many other tropical and subtropical regions around the world, including parts of Asia, Africa, and the Pacific. The tree can reach heights of up to 20 meters and has a spreading, open canopy with thin branches and delicate, fern-like leaves that are composed of numerous small leaflets. The flowers are small and white, and the fruit is a flat, brown pod containing numerous small seeds. Leucocephala has a number of uses, particularly in agroforestry systems, where it is valued for its ability to fix nitrogen in the soil, which improves soil fertility and helps support the growth of other crops. The tree's leaves and young pods are also used as a high-protein animal feed, and the wood is sometimes used for fuel or as a source of timber. However, it should be noted that Leucocephala can also have negative ecological impacts, particularly when introduced into areas where it is not native. In some places, the tree has become invasive, outcompeting native vegetation and altering ecosystem dynamics. Therefore, its cultivation and use should be carefully managed to prevent potential negative effects.